Good afternoon everyone. This is Rupani from balancenutrition.in. We have online programs for weight loss, lifestyle management, diabetes, as well as something as serious as cancer. Yes, being a clinical nutritionist, it was definitely our job to come live and explain to the world the eating right when it comes to the coronavirus scare. Yes. Today morning itself, when I read that in Mumbai as well as in India, we have a few confirmed cases, it is only right on my part to come live and explain what food can do to help you manage coronavirus better. Well, as far as coronavirus is concerned, studies are coming from everywhere. कोई बोल रहा है ऐसे, कोई बोल रहा है वैसे, कोई बोल रहा है बैट से आया, कोई बोलता है यहाँ से आया. But what I would say is, yes, the most logical read, that I have, or the most logical article seems to be that it spreads via the hand or the droplets when you're sneezing, when you're coughing, to the body fluids. So yes, many countries like Singapore are not allowing people in if you even have a slight fever, if you are having a cold or a cough, and they are sanitizing public places very much. So be very careful when it comes to opening doors at public places, being in crowded places, so as to just prevent the spread of coronavirus. Now when it comes to food, I would say correlate it a little bit with what we have is the viral cold. I know the coronavirus mortality, the deaths due to coronavirus are a little higher than cold or more, but here suggested approach would be to use a lot of these 5 foods that I will be mentioning right now. Food number 1 would be nothing less than turmeric or our haldi. Yes, turmeric is an antioxidant that we have been using for centuries as Indians, or for that matter, now it is even becoming a turmeric latte as we call haldi milk. Right? So turmeric has compounds that will make sure that your immunity increases towards coronavirus, okay, in such a fashion that it can at least keep you a little healthier when everybody around is falling sick. The second most important food when I would say coronavirus, it would prevent, or rather it would increase your immunity, would be none other than again an Indian spice called as cinnamon. Yes, cinnamon itself, when drank in the form of a cinnamon tea, ya phir, adrak and dalchini ki chai as we call it, early morning, as well as to a kid, we could give half teaspoon of cinnamon mixed with 1 teaspoon of honey. That syrup, or we could call it a concoction, is going to help all of us stay away from at least catching an infection that easily. Point number 3. This food is something I would say is to stay away, and that would be animal products that are raw meat, which is available in and around you, where as Indians we like to go to the market, choose our own chicken and then make sure that we come with fresh meat. For a few days it will be nice if we avoid it, because the bodily fluids exist in animals too. Yes, you could also avoid mutton, beef, as well as anything that is related to meats. Product number 4, which I would say that you should start including in your diet, would be a cup of warm milk with nutmeg powder and clove powder. Yes, nutmeg is nothing but jaifal and clove is nothing but your long. Boil your milk. See if you can handle a little bit of adrak in as well, which is ginger. All these spices will again raise your basal temperature, raise your metabolic rate, and will also help in raising immunity. I know it is getting a little hot, and when you are just getting ready for Holi and where we change our diet to include a little thandai here and there, it is not the right time to include these spices in your diet. But nevertheless, I think we should. The last but not the least is again one thing that I would say prevent yourself from doing is drinking and eating food outside. Yes, any water that you see, or you want to use a tap, which is a public tap. We generally don't do it in India. But yes, avoid using using water from any place which you are not very sure on the source of, including the restaurant that you're trying to eat from. I would say even avoid raw salads that come your way, because they also can be carriers. And as I said, the last thing that I would say is avoid anything that is coming in the form of outside food where you are not sure about the hygiene. Coronavirus is only spreading in places where there is some lack of hygiene in terms of both personal hygiene and public hygiene. A very impressive video is what I saw from Singapore, where they were sanitizing, they were sanitizing the stuff. They were sanitizing playgrounds, they were sanitizing lift buttons, they were sanitizing any form of touch that was, causing, or rather that would have caused the spread of this virus. So make sure that you stay healthy, you stay positive, and make sure that you don't panic when it comes to crazy WhatsApps. Now, when I have given such a nice tip, I'm sure you will share it with all your friends as well as family. If you need any further information on coronavirus, Team Balance Nutrition is doing its research, and the moment some breakthrough comes in food, we will be the first ones to inform you. Until then, it's a bye from Khyati, Rupani and Team Balance Nutrition.